everyone, my name is Marlena Robbins with Cultural Coalition. I am the Assistant Director and Grants Writer. Today we'll be doing a mask activity for the Puente Festival. This is my assistant.
Wait, assistant? I'm not your assistant. Oh, my name is Liam. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and a heart.
Do your own video and take your own pictures and share them with us so that we can share them on our page and inspire somebody else to make this activity too. You ready to get started?
No, I'm not your assistant.
Okay, you're not my assistant. He's my co-creator. You will need scissors, tape, a popsicle stick, and color pencils, or markers or crayons, whichever you prefer. We're going to be doing the butterfly mask. We'll go ahead and post this online as well, so you can download the pattern, print it out, or even trace it on the screen if you don't have a printer. That's a good way to do it too. So now we'll work on cutting it out. Be very careful, and for the little kids, be sure to monitor them when they're using their scissors. So this is a great way to get your kids working on their motor skills, their fine finger movements, and this is a good activity for some family bonding time. So I really hope you guys enjoy. If you were able to make it out to the festival, to the Puente Festival at Tempe Center for the Arts, thank you for showing up virtually. Thank you for being here. We appreciate your commitment to the arts and culture, especially during this time. We hope that you guys are all staying safe out there. Wash your hands, don't touch your face,
Don't touch your ears.
Here's our butterfly. What we're gonna do now is cut out the eyes. And an easy way to do that is to fold it. So you're gonna fold it corner to corner, long ways. See that? We have our butterfly, we have our eyes cut out. What we're going to do next is we are going to decorate it, color it. So actually, I think we did it backwards. I think we were supposed to decorate it first and then cut it out, but that's okay. You do it however you want to do it, whatever you feel is right. So this is our mask. What we're going to do next is add our popsicle stick and tape. So here is our finished product. This is our butterfly mask. And as you can see, there's the tape with the popsicle stick. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you had a good time, and please continue to support the arts. Please continue to support Cultural Coalition. Visit our website, culturalcoalition.com, and our Facebook and our Instagram.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye. Thank you guys.
Love you guys.